Okay, let's start the customization right away. You understand? So we start by this logo, by customizing the logo, which is the header, this header section. So we select the section, then we collapse the up padding, the padding that is 40/40, collapse it. Then we take the logo to the left. You understand? Let it align left more. You understand? Because it's as if it is on the center now. So by so doing, we use the margin to do that. Collapse this margin, go to the left, give it a negative, let's give it negative 50, negative 50, 50 on negative, 50 on negative. Oh, we selected the right thing. This is what we are doing. Oh, sorry, that's not what we selected earlier. That's not what we selected earlier. Sorry. So here is the logo, and we are giving it minus 50. Uh, to take it to align to the left more to suit what we want. So let's see what it is. Mm-hmm. Yes, okay. It's, is it good or should we take it back a bit more? I think it's good. If you have line here, it should align with these things together. Yeah. Uh, the next thing is to reduce the size. Let's go back and reduce the size of the logo. Select the logo itself. Select it, go down, reduce it from 210 to like 100 or 120. I think 100 is okay. Five. I think 100 is okay. And let's make that in 80. Let's make that in 80. I don't know what's wrong with this. Let's preview. If you try to distract me or give me a headache, I delete it and start afresh. That's the game and the secret. So I think the logo is the size is the size okay? Yeah. What is it? I previewed and was seeing something else. It's coming. Yeah, it's coming. I think it's okay, but it's not aligning left, meaning the alignment didn't work again or what? uh, Using the margin, collapsing the margin, giving it a negative of 50 at the left, 50 on negative, minus 50, 50, or say 80, minus 80. Then we'll preview to see what's up, preview to see how it looks. You understand? So, network is a bit slow this morning. Network is a bit slow this morning. Okay, it has come. Yeah, I think it's looking nice now. It's looking great. So the next thing to do is to customize this hero text, this one, hero text and the hero image. So this time around, we're gonna bring in the hero image. You understand? Let's click on the image and bring in the image here. So click on this cloud-like icon. Click here because I already have it. If you don't have it already, click on this upload. Click on select file. They will take you to your local computer to bring in whatever you want to bring in. You understand? But this one that I want to bring in now, I already have it on this platform. You understand? Which is this. Look at it here. So I click on it, scroll up, click on this insert, boom, you will see it. So the next thing to do is to, if you look at that my landing page, you will see that I have the hero section has a hero image. You understand? A background image on it, and it's static. It's not moving. As you can see, if you scroll up, the image will not screw up. You understand? The image is static. So that's what. Let's go and achieve that. As you can see, this hero section is moving, sliding up, And as you can see, there is some little designs here you are seeing there. So let me go and show you guys how to trick and do this design exactly like this. So let's go. So first of all, you select the section, then go to the background color, and this go down again. You see background image. So you click here to insert an image to it. Then you select this same image that we selected before. Scroll up, click on insert. You see, yes, it has come. So the next thing to do is to go down. If you see display image here now, you will see that this display image is on default here. So you click on it, open it, and select this full center fix. Full center fix. Select it, click on it. Yes, selected. So the thing is there now, it's fixed now, and it's moving. Yeah, and it's not moving. You understand? Had it been we leave it on this default, it will be moving together with the page. You understand? But now the reason why we change it is that we don't want it to move. You understand? So full center fixed, so it's not gonna move again. Now, if you see, guys, let's preview for you to see how it looks. Let's preview to you to see how it looks. Do you see? Then if you see now, you see that to read this hero text is very difficult, especially for people that has eye problem. So what do? We give it a background so that it will appear more and looks more visible like this. As you can see, I give it a color here. As you can see, this this is what we call visual hierarchy. You understand? We are gonna obey the visual hierarchy principle here by giving it a small shade, a small background shade, you understand? For visibility purpose, we're gonna obey the visual hierarchy principle. So what do? We select the row governing everything therein, select it. I think here is it. Yeah, select it. Then go to the background color, then change it to my color, which is FFF4E6. As you can see, it has changed now. So if you preview it, you will see how it looks. So you understand? So watch. You see how it looks now. Yeah, it has gotten that shape, you understand, but it's very thick. It's very thick. As you can see, the color is very thick on it. So we have to do something for it to look exactly like this. As you can see, this one is somehow transparent, you understand? So that's what we're gonna do now. So to achieve that, we go to this background color, click on it again to bring in this color palette. Then under it, you will see the first line here, the first color line here, and this second one here is where the opacity lies. So you either click to any position you want, you understand, or you click on this thing. If you look at it very well, you will see something there, toggling, something like toggling button, we like call it progress bar. Then you drag it to any position you feel like you it's okay by you. Mm, I think let's take it a bit. Let me drag. I think it's okay like this. I think it's okay like so. Let's preview and check if it's okay and then leave it. Yeah, I think it's fine. Or should we open it the more? Should we put it let it be more lesser and put it somewhere here 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 here. I just tweaking it. Oh, this is what we call troubleshooting. Troubleshoot to know the one that's aligned with what you want. Then you leave it. Yeah, yeah. I think we got it this time around. Yeah, yeah. I think we got it. This is okay. So the next thing to do now is to customize this the hero text itself, change the font and change the color of to what we want. If you click on it, then as you can see, the typography, the font will change from what it is to what we want it to be. From here, I will like to use my pop, this my popping. Sorry, my poppins color. Then I select and make it bold. That's the color font, the font that I always like to use for my heading. You understand? Especially the hero image. So that's it. So we preview it to see how it looks. Um, yeah, it's looking nice, but it's looking nice. It's looking nice. Finally, learn how to design high converting landing pages without relying on your anyone. You understand? without relying on anyone. So what next do we do? We do for we customize this what's it called? The sub headlines. Now the principles of landing page design or website in general says that you should make everything to be simple and easy to read. You understand? So I think this sub headline is too much. Say goodbye to struggling with templates and running back to your mentor for help. You understand? And they start again. Master the principles of design and high conversion without writing a single line of code. I think we should take it off from here. Master the principles of design and high conversion. You understand? And leave only say goodbye to struggling with template or running back to your mentor for help. You understand? For simplicity purpose. You understand? So I think that's what I did on that my landing page. Yeah, exactly. That's what I did. That's what I did. Say goodbye to struggling with templates, running back to your mentor for help. Yeah, that's very simple. So let's go and customize that one by deleting some of this. ChatGPT has done its own part, so we have to use our brain. You understand? To do the rest. So that's it. Then we select all and change the color. Select all, complete. Control A to select all. Then click on color palette. Then click on the color palette and select the color you want. I need black, tearing, or mm, yeah. I think it will be fine like that. It will be fine. So then change the typography. Click by customizing the typography. We change the font. You understand? I like Google fonts and Roboto regular. And what next? What next? I think we are done. We are done. Then we preview to see how it looks. If it look fine, we take it. If it doesn't look fine, we customize it more. You understand? So that's it. Network, what's up? Mm-hmm. Uh, so let's go back again. Seems network is fucking up. Oh, it's still loading. Please contact us or try again later. I think the network is back. Okay, it has come. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah, I think it's okay like this. Let's check that landing page and see how it is. No, I think I prefer this one. I break it from this template or so that's what we're gonna do now. So let's go and break the text. As you can see, as it's running from left to right, having only this moment of for help. I don't like it. So let's break it exactly the way I break it from that or after template. This from that or so that it will start from this running back to your mentor for help. So let's go back there, click on it, place your cursor in between this or and the running back to your mentor. Then it shift, you click enter. Then it has break. Then you go back to preview it so that you see how it looks now. And click on that I like button. Yeah, I think it's okay like this now. So the next thing to do now is to uh take this software then up a bit because there are two of them is having too much white space, which is not good in design principle. According to design principle, you understand? So that's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. Go back, take it up, select it. It seems two of them is in the same row, meaning you can select them differently. Okay, if that is the case, you can change it by putting a row here, putting them in a different row, or you can leave it and use the margin. And this time around we collapse this margin and then use a negative margin for it. That negative margin should be minus 20. I think that will serve it well. Yeah. Then let's preview to see what's up. To see one sub. No, this thing goes up too much. It goes up too much. That's not good. So we reduce this from 20 to 10. Reduce this from 20 to 10. Then preview to see how it looks. Yeah, it looks perfectly well now. You understand? It looks perfectly well now. You can do it 15 as the case may be, but you can leave it at this space now. You understand? So that minus 10 looks well on it, or you can make it 15, but I think let's leave it there. So the next thing to do is to customize this bladed list. Let's first of all change all the colors to black. You understand? Then we delete the icons that ChatGPT provide for us, which we don't need. Delete this one, delete this one. So the next thing to do is to change the icon and the icon color. First of all, let's change the font style to Google font, and that Google font, what I always like to use is, which is my brand color. Oh, sorry, my brand uh, font is Roboto and Poppins. So this time around, I will use Roboto here. Then go down, go down, change the icon to this check square with the shaded one. Then change the icon color to whatever you want. Mine is FF8F00. Then next thing again is to go down, go down, go down again, and okay, I think we are done with it. We are done with it. So the next thing again is to check if this the alignment is okay with us, or we can change the alignment to come center a bit. Yeah, as it is now, I don't think that I like it. I like it. So it has to bring it to the center. Let's bring it to the center. Let's go back. By so doing, we click, we select it, then use the margin left. Collapse the margin. Where is the margin? See the margin here. Collapse it. Use the margin left. What's this doing? Okay. Margin left from 30 to 60. Let's make it 60. Let's make it 60. It's on 30 before. Let's make it 60. Is it okay like that? No, that 60 is too small. So let's make it 100. Let's make it 100 and see what's up. Yeah, I think it's fine now. Yeah, I think it's fine now. But it seems it's supposed to go down a bit. It's supposed to go down a bit. They are too clustered. They are too clustered, as you can see, with the sub headline and the headline. So I think we're supposed to take it down a bit. By so doing, we do the up one positive 50. Let's see. Yeah, positive top margin 50 to take it down a bit. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Let's check down my own landing page and see how it is. I think that's almost the same thing. That's almost the same thing. Yeah. But it seems that I make here boot on down my own landing page. I make here boot. So let's preview to see what's up. Yeah, that's it. That's it. That's it. So it's resembling the landing page already. So the next thing to do now is to customize this button. Go back to customize button. Go back to the back end. Click on the button. Go here. Change it to okay. Next step URL. Yes, it's already there. So change it from uh from what it is before, which is submit form, to next step URL. Don't forget. Don't always forget. You understand? Don't ever forget. You understand? So put it on Google. Change the font style to Google font, and I choose Roboto for my. And this one now, which says the subtext. Change it from subtext to what's this? This is a course. You understand? It's a product, so the subtext should be limited copy available, or no, it's a course, not copy. It's supposed to be limited spot available, hmm or limited copy available. But since this thing has another space of live session, community support, we put limited spot available. It will be fine also. Hey, what am I typing? Both small and capital letter. Is that not madness, man? Both small and capital letter in one word. Yeah. Now, wow. Not even a sentence. So we change the font again to Roboto, then leave it on regular, then change the background color to whatever you want. My is variant orange, which is with header code of FF8F00. The important of having this what's it called, having this hazard code is for you to maintain the exact color. You understand? Especially if you are a type like me that don't know color that much. So For you to be on the server side, you have to cram your own, memorize or have their own Heza code offhand. You understand? So I increased the radius to 5 for visibility purpose, then change the border style to none. I don't like having anything done or even beside it. So I don't like using shadows, no shadow. You understand? I don't like shadows. So hover effect is what I will change from none to zoom. Yes, for tweaking purpose. Yes, from there we preview to see how it looks. You understand? So remember to have your Heza code handy in order for you to have your all your color being exactly, you understand. That's no problem. I think you have to bring in this code, this what's it called? This logo and put it on top here. Let me check down my landing page and see where I put it. Okay, yes, exactly. Now that's where it is. So that's what we're gonna do now. Go back to the to here. Just drag this section or drag the row. We drag the row because the section cannot be inside section. The section cannot be inside section. Put it here. Yeah, I think it's fine. Preview to see how it looks. Let's preview. Okay, remove this. Yeah, I think it's nice. It's nice. Maybe we increase the logo a bit. We increase the logo a bit, but other things is looking nice now. You understand? It's looking nice right away, just like this. The next thing to do that I did on this my landing page is to highlight the main keyword on this hero text. You understand? Which is high converting landing pages. You understand? And I even increased the font size here. So I think we should do same to this our own for visibility purpose and for attention grabbing purpose. So we first of all select the keywords therein, then change the color, change it. Sorry, no, we are doing this. It should be on the back end. So where is the keywords? Look at it. High converting landing pages. Then select the color palette. Look at the color palette here. Change the color to whatever you want. Mine is FF8F00. Then we go back and increase the font size. Font size from 32 to 38. Let's have check 38 and see how it looks. Let's check 38 and see how it looks. The size is looking nice, but the breaking, I don't like the breaking. I don't like the breaking. I think we should increase it the more and see how the breaking goes. Make it 40, then we preview. Make it 40, we preview and see how it looks. It's still not giving me what I want. Just like this, my break it from high converting to this, which is what, and it looks nice there. And this one is not breaking. The next thing to do is to increase it again to 50. Let's make it 50. The font, hey, no, 50 font size. Part 2. It seems the 50 is too much. 50 is too much. Oh, let's reduce it to 45 and check. Mm-hmm. It's too much. Uh, let's reduce it to 40 or 35 or 38. 38. I think the 38 is somehow looking good, but I don't just like it. I don't just like it. I don't just like it. Let's troubleshoot and get what we want. Uh, mm, let's break this line and see what's up. Let's break this line from here and see what happens. Then let's see if it will solve our problem or not. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, move this space from this. Oh, no, no, no. Yeah, no, no. So let's reduce this font size to 35. 36. Let's check 36. 36. Mm, 34. Check 34. Yeah, I think the 34 matches what we want. Can you see, guys? I think 34 matches what we want. Yeah. Yeah. As you can see, it's looking nice now. It's looking nice. So I think we'll leave it this way. I think we'll leave it this way. We'll leave it this way, right? Yeah. Uh, it's fine. It's fine. I think it's fine like this. Let's check down my own. I've forgotten what I put there, how I achieved this exactly, but I think I think it's nice here. It's nice here. Maybe this is a font size, a font style problem. Oh. Maybe I use poppins on this one, and I'm using what's it called? I use Roboto on the other one, and I'm using poppins here. That would be the problem for this thing. With this, you understand? That I think that will be the problem with it. So, but I think it's looking nice right away. This time, this time around, it's looking nice like this. It's attention grabbing, and the visual hierarchy is we also obey the principle of it. So I can see it's okay. It's okay. So we leave it this way, man, and go to the next section. Let's go to the next section. Let's see how I did the next section. I want us to edit it exactly. Okay, nothing much. Just bring this text to the center and then change the heading text, the color, the heading text color. So I think that's the only thing that we have to do there. So let's go there. Let's go there and do it. So this one only just change the color from what it is to what you want it to be. Where's the color palette? Click on the color palette, then change it to my color FF8F00. You understand? Uh-huh. So what's next to do is to change the font style to Google font and leave it on Roboto. Then is there any other thing? No. Is there another thing to do there? No. I think we check it out. Check it out, man. Let's check it out and see how it is. See is it coming or not? No, I don't know what's up. Network is provoking me this morning. Yeah. Okay, yes, it has changed. It means that it isn't okay. Let's change the background color. I think the background color is for that section is white. Is it white there? No, it's not white. It's creamy white. Sorry. So that's it. So the next thing is to bring the text to the center. To center. Okay, yeah, it's white here on my own landing page. So it's white. I'm sure. I'm sure of what I said earlier. So change the color to white, background color to white. So to match what I have over here on my own landing page. So because I want us to design exactly that landing page. So this one now, if you preview it, we see that this the text aligned left is aligned left. So but we don't want it to align left, we want it to be on the center. So you guys already know how to tweak it. And the way forward is to go and bring in three columns elements, put it there, then put a row inside the center one for customization purpose, then drag this text and put it here. Then you expand it. That's the easiest way to tweak this. You expand it once to the left. Uh, it has gone twice, so I'm clicking on Control Z to remove the first one. Yeah. Then on the right hand side, you expand it twice. and 2. Yeah, that's it. So we preview to see what we have. We preview to see what we have. Yeah, I think it's looking nice, but it's, it's looking shorter. So what do? We go back there. We can change the font size, the font style first. Google font, Roboto, change it to Roboto. Then we can reduce the font size to like 15 or so to know what we will achieve. Let's leave 17 and preview it and know what's up. I think should be running well now. Mm. Or let's go and increase this side and expand this thing to the left a bit more. Once again, hmm, thing has gone twice. Control Z to reduce. To go back. I think two of them has two more space to elapse. So let's preview and know what's up. Let's preview. Yeah, it's looking nice now, but we'll increase the font size again. Let's increase it back. The font size to 20. Then check it out. Yeah. hmm Let's check my landing page and see what's up. No, it's running straight and I like it that way. So what we do for this one is to reduce to 18. Reduce to 18 and check it out. hmm Yeah, I think it's looking nice, but we are still having one break. What do we do to that one? What do we do to that one? I think it's by expansion. Or let's just delete this. Let's delete these icons first. The icons we don't need. Let's delete them and know what's up. Let's delete and preview. I think it should solve our problem. Yeah, it has solved it already. So the next thing to do is to change the icon color to look like the ones I have here. Okay, I didn't use the main icon here. I used the one that ChatGPT provided for me. Yeah, so no problem with that. So it's the same thing. So let's change this one color, the icon color. S- Let's change the icon color. Let's just change the color to whatever you want it to be. Let's change it to FF8F00. So that's it. We may leave it on this check only. You understand? This time around. Then we change this one, the color to all black. Change it to all black. Then let's preview. I think that is supposed to go up a bit. Let's let it move it up a bit. Okay, let's collapse the padding, the top padding to 0. Then preview. I think that's the only thing we have to do to it. Oh, it's running from left to right, which is not good. So let's break it somewhere. Where should we break it? From this notes, not the art of persuasive and design. Let's check my home page. Uh, okay, I think okay maybe I put this thing inside that together with inside the three columns. That's why it breaks from that place, which is what we can achieve here also by dragging this thing. We can achieve that also by dragging the text and put it inside here. Put it inside here. I think we will achieve something. If not, we go and remove it. Huh. Does it look nice? Does it look nice? I think it should look nice. Think it's looking nice. Then we change this one to all black. You understand? Let's go back and change this one to all black. Uh-huh. Change it to all black for visibility purpose and to obey visual hierarchy principles. You understand? So that's it. Yeah, I think it's looking nice now. It's looking nice. It's looking nice. Should we highlight this text? We highlight this text and make it bold and put it on bold. Highlight, select all, put it on bold, check it out to see how it looks. Check it out. Yeah, I think it's okay like this. I think it's okay like this. So the next thing is to customize the next section. You understand? So let's go to my landing page and check how it is. Oh, I did some tweaking here. So which is a little bit work, but it's nothing. So let's go. So the first one is this: change the font and highlight the important words there, which is complete competence. You understand? And change the color. And the next thing is to change the font and then give bring in this bring in two columns. On the left hand side, we have a mock-up of the book. You understand? And on the right hand side, you have a card for this what you will learn inside. You understand? So let's go and do same to our own. So first of all, this one we select it. Select this as a heading. It seems I didn't include this introducing how to create high converting landing pages. Uh, should we delete it also, or should we leave it? Introducing uh, how to create high converting landing pages. Should we leave it? Then the automate no code stuff. So let's use it and see what's up. Let's use it. Change to Google Forms. Leave it on Roboto. Then this one. Should we use? Let's use Poppins here. Poppins and make it bold. Put it on bold. Then use this one. Use Roboto here. Mm, I think we should break this text. We should remove this text inside here. Cut. Bring in body text, separate body text. Put it here. R Epson. Delete. Control V to paste the one that we cut. Then think we should collapse this. Yes. Then top padding should be 0. Collapse here. Take the bottom padding to 0 and select this one. Sorry, the row, the top padding to 0 as well for them to come close to each other. Then select this one. No, select this one. Change the color. Click on color palette. Change it to all black. Then this complete competence. Okay, let's preview and see how it looks. Let's preview and see how it looks. Okay, introducing how to create a high converting landing pages, the ultimate no code landing page design course that gives you complete competence. Okay. Mm, is it looking okay like that? I think it's looking nice, but we'll change this color to my brown color. Or the first one, let's change the first one, this heading to my brand color. Click here, select, delete, FF8F00. Then the next thing again to do is to complete this competence. Let's make it capital letter. Competence. Let's make capital letter and select both the complete. Then change their color. Sorry, change their color to my color, right? Which is FF8F00. I think that's what it is. Then let's preview to see how it looks. Uh, as you can see, I think it's looking nice, but I think I like the way I did it on this my landing page. What I'm here, so gonna let's go and do it and achieve same. So by so doing, I select all of them, select it, cut, right click, you cut, then select this one and delete it and use this one as the heading. You understand? You preview and change it from Poppins to Roboto. Then I think I made it bold by selecting and building it. Then we preview to see how it looks. I think I like it that way more than the way it is now. Yeah, and it's running from left to right, which I don't like. So let's see. We're gonna break it from where it is, from design course, okay, to design course, landing page design. Yeah, break it there, then preview to see how it looks. Mhm. Yeah, I think it's looking nice now. Complete competence. Let's go and check down my own now, see how it looks. Yes, the ultimate no code landing page design. Design course that gives you complete competence. Yeah, it's two of them, the same thing. Yeah. Why is it looking so small here, but looking nice here? I think it's the same. They are same job. Yeah. So let's go and change the color. Let's go and change this the competence. Select the competence, the complete competence, and change their color to my color. Change their color to my color. Yeah. For readability purpose. For readability purpose. That's why the visual hierarchy principles FF8F00. For readability purpose and visual hierarchy principle adherence. You understand? So that's it. For visual hierarchy adherence, hierarchy principle adherence. So this is, yeah. Change the color of this one. Then we delete this. We don't need that space, that white space, that unnecessary white space. We don't need it. So we delete it. Then we take this one up a bit. Sorry, we select the row, then collapse the padding. The padding says 10. Top padding, collapse it to nothing. Then it seems we should collapse the padding, the bottom padding of this one also, from what it is. The bottom, oh, it's zero already. So let's preview and see how it looks. You understand? Let's preview and see how it looks. Then, as you can see, yeah, it's looking nice. It's looking nice. So the next thing to do now is to break this test. It's running too much. Running from left to right. It's too long. No, we don't need it. So let's see how where I break this one. I break it from landing pages, and it starts from actually brings insights and lead. You understand? So let's go back and break our own also from that pages. From the pages, over your mouse and click on where you want to break it, then keep it there, hold the shift button and click on enter. It will break. That's the trick. You understand? That's the trick. So let's preview and see how it looks. Network, what's up you? Okay. So as you can see, this is how it is. So it's having a nice shape now. So the next thing to do is to bring this to bring in that to divide this page, that section. You understand? Divide, bring in two columns, the two columns element, bring it in here, then bring in a row and put on the two of them, and duplicate. We drag this one and put here. Then for customization purpose, then we drag this one now and put in here. Yes. Remember, guys, I told you guys that the reason why I'm putting this text on the right hand side and the image on the left hand side is because whenever you want to preview it on mobile, the thing will not distort you. If you want to if you put the text here that I put this image now, image element now, and they put the image element on the right hand side, the text will appear before the image, which is not the good principle, which doesn't align with the principles of landing page or website design. You understand? So that's the reason, and it will warrant you to tweak it again on the mobile version of it, which may likely after tweaking it and save, if you come back again and log in, it will still go back to where it were before. You understand? Which I don't like. So that's the reason. In order to run away from such problem, you understand? Just do it from the start now, by putting the image on the left and the text on the right. You understand? So that on mobile the image will appear first before the text. You understand? So which is the right way to design a website or a landing page. You get it? So now let's click on this element, then bring in the design that I already have. If you don't have your own already, then you click on select. They will take you to your local computer to bring in the design. I have my already. You understand? I have my already. which I designed from Canva. You understand? I designed it with Canva. So I said that I will show you guys how to design some basic image with Canva. If you are not a graphic designer, I will show you, but not in this video. I don't want this video to be too long. So I'm clicking on this your images, then select the mockup. Look at the mockup here, the landing page mockup. Then scroll up, click on insert. Yeah, it will appear. Then the next thing to do is to customize this one now. First of all, we delete all the necessary things so that we don't need here. We don't need. Where are you? Yeah, we don't need this. 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 Neither do we need this. This one we don't need icon on this one. This is supposed to be on its own. So, and we may even give it a separate head itself. So let's go here and change the font style to what we want it to be. I always want to use Roboto. That's my own color, my own font. Then change it from this check to check square with this shaded one. You understand? Then change the color to my color FF8F00. That's variant orange or a classic orange with a HESA code of FF8F00. So let's preview to see how it looks, guys. So that's the thing. Let's preview to see how it looks. Yeah, yeah, it's having a nice shape. So, but it's running left to right. So how do we tackle this thing now? We reduce the font size. We're gonna reduce the font size. Let's go. Let's go and reduce the font size from what it is to the text font size from from 20 to 15 or so. Let's leave 17 and preview. Let's make it 17 and preview. I would like it. Okay. Mm, let's make it 15. Let's make it 15. 1, 2. See if it will achieve what we want. Yeah, I think it's right. It's nice. It's nice. So the next thing to do is to, if you see, if you look at it very well now, sorry guys, if you look at it very well now, you will see that the image is downwards while the text is upwards. You understand? So two of them is not in the same horizontal line, which is not proper. So we have to make it to be in the same horizontal line. We take the image up a bit. So let's go back to the back end, select the image, select the row governing this image. Then you can collapse the padding, which has padding of 10, the top padding to 0. And but I don't think that only will solve the problem. Then we deal again with the margin. Top margin we give negative margin of 50. Margin on negative 50, margin on negative. I think we have got it. So we preview to see, to check what we have. To check what we have. Yeah, they are in the same horizontal line now. Yes, it's okay. They are looking nice. So the next thing to do, I think we have some cards. This one has a white background on it. So let's go and do that. Yes. Select the row, change the background color to white. The background color to white, and give it a reduce of 10. Reduce of 10, orange, reduce of 10. Leave the style to none, the border style to none. Then we check. Let's preview to see how it looks. I think we're supposed to get it exactly. It sits under my own. So let's go and check down my. Yeah, this is how it is. So okay, but I have this the heading separate, and I increase it a bit. So to achieve that, we go back, then highlight it. You can highlight the heading or copy it. What you will learn inside, cut it, select or cut, then delete this place. So the next thing is to bring in heading text, put it here, then select to delete the dummy text, paste. Then you can remove this one and put dot three, triple dot, then change the font to Google font, and I use Roboto. hmm I think put it on bold to see what's up. Put it on bold. Okay. Yeah, this is how it is, but the white space is too much, so let's reduce the white space. if you should if you should select here, then go back here, the margin, tap margin, give it negative. It has a pattern of 5. One of this one, select this, give it, collapse the padding. The bottom is saying 15, so collapse it, and then choose here to see how it looks. It's looking nice, but I think we can bring it closer a bit again, for in order to obey the principles of uh, design. So select it again, give it a negative margin of, on the bottom of 20. On the bottom, negative margin of 20. Yeah, on the bottom. So we preview to see how it looks. I think it should be okay by now. Yeah, it's very nice. It's very nice. Yeah, it's very nice. It's looking great now. Then we go and change the color of the text to all black. Select all, select all, change the color to all black. Yeah, and then preview to see how it looks. Change the color to all black. Preview to see how it looks. Yeah, I think it's looking nice now. Then the next thing to do is to bring this text, this bonus text now up a bit, and then customize the, what's it called? Let's check. I think it's okay in where it is. Just change the color, and then customize the button. Change the text color by selecting all, click on color palette, then change it to all black. Then we customize this button. This button changes from it is before, which is submit form, to next step URL. You understand? Next step URL. Then we go down, change the text. Okay, the text we already have it. You can put in exclamation mark in front of these pages. Put exclamation mark like this, then go down, change the font to whatever you want. Mine is roboto and regular. Then the subtext should be limited spots available, or limited copy available. Anyone can serve in this place. Limited spots available. Hey, available. Typing nonsense, which I don't know why. Available. Then change the font to Google font, and I use Roboto as well. Then the next thing again is to change the background color from what it is to what you want it to be. Background color, I need FF0F00, FF8 F00. You understand? So the next thing to do is to deal with this border. Go down and deal with the border. Let's go down, go down, go down, go down. Okay, first of all, we increase the radius from 3 to 5 for visibility purpose. Change the style from solid to none. Then the next thing is hover effect. Change it from none to zoom. You understand? So I think it's okay now. So let's preview. Let's preview to see how it looks. Uh-huh. Let's remove this. Then let's preview. Let's go down. Let's go down. I think it's looking nice. It's looking nice. It's looking nice. All right. It's looking nice. It's looking nice, as you can see. Mm. The next thing is to go to customize the next section. To customize the next section,